Okay. We know that if alpha beta is if f is a function of two independent variables, and we apply the Legendre transformation, okay, then if alpha is unwanted variable, if you want to transform alpha, then this will be equal to new function g, that will be equal to f alpha minus beta partial f over partial alpha multiplied by alpha. So this will be a Legendre transformation. Okay, and if beta is unrequired, if you think that beta is unfavorable variable, then this will be partial f over partial beta multiplied by beta minus f alpha of beta. So we have proved these two expressions. Okay, these are the two expressions.
The position is no good. That's it.
It will be minus sign. It is. Okay, and okay. What was the results you have derived from these equations? That was partial L over partial dot K. That was the, if that is Lagrangian, that is equal to Pk. Okay, Pk. But and partial L over partial Qk P dot. If there is K, then there will be K. If there is a theta, then there will be a theta. Okay. And partial H over partial Qk dot. Partial H over partial Q. What is the value of this?
Minus P dot.
Minus P dot K. If there is K, then there will be K. Okay. If partial H over partial P, then this will be equal to Q dot. These was the equation when we apply the Legendre transformation on the Lagrange. Lagrange is the function of, we have already explained. Lagrange was the function of Q and Q dot, means that it may be a function of Q only, that may be a function of Q dot. Yes. But velocity will be down. But Hamiltonian will be function of H, Q and P. Okay. That if that is X, then that will be a PX, means there will be a corresponding Hamiltonian. Okay. Last time was doing exercise. What was that exercise? Yes, if the most important exercise, because it's clear very concept, okay, too much concept, and due to this example of the exercise, you may perform many exercises itself. Okay, so if the exercise H is equal to 9 sine Q, if Hamiltonian is sine Q, that's all the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sine Q or a P. Then you have to find here Q is a basis 3, means right side also on basis 3. If there is any indices in the right side, there must be only the dummy indices. There is no free indices. Okay, and at the x must be function of QRP or QRP only. No Q dot must be involved. Number one, there would be no x can't be write as 9 sine QK. That is also wrong because K is a free, but that will be only the that QK. If there is QK, then there should be a product.
Yes.
Okay, so okay, we have to find the what is the requirement PK. We have to find the PK. What is the PK? Okay, not QK. The object is what size? If this is a Q or P. Last time when we okay, PK. We are touching to find the PK. Okay. So what will be the distribution? And we know that from this equation, PK dot is equal to H is given, so only this equation will give you the information about the PK. And this will be equal to partial H over partial QK and minus 9 is constant, so it will become out from the 9 sine Q over QK. Okay? This when we take the derivative, then that will be a minus 9. Derivative of sine will sine will be cos, so it will be a cos Q partial Q over partial QK. But it is not so simple as it is looking like. Okay. If Q is independent from the basis, it means that is the actually the length, that is not a position vector itself. Okay. So this Q is actually the 1/2. Why? We know that Q is actually the Q square is equal to Q okay, for real that may be a complex number, but for real that will be equal to this, and now this Q will be equal to this. Okay, that must be undisputed. Okay, so if we take the derivative of Q with respect to QK, okay, then this will be equal to, firstly power will be shaped 1/2, and this will become minus 1/2 QK dot QK, that will be a minus 1/2, and derivative of first, that will be, okay, so if K is involved, you can't take the K, okay, so if I take in the K, I should write as that is L. The new distance must be different, and that will be KL dot QK plus QK dot KL. And if this become a 2, okay, that will be cancelled. So this will become this term become QL plus QS. Okay. Both will be equal to this. Because this canonical delta will be changed defined. Okay. The K will be this K will be replaced with the L. Okay. So this will be.
सर इससे आपने एक बार करवाया था इसकी पोजीशन चेंज करने से फर्क नहीं पड़ता वो मेंशन करना है
नहीं ठीक है एक्चुअली when you will study the quantum mechanics and or advanced courses, then the position will be matter. Okay, but then in undergraduate course that is actually वैसे तो sorry यहाँ वैसे भी that is changing the Q as well. इस position का मतलब है undergraduate हो या advanced हो because it is changing with it is also QS and it is also Q. So even if I am if this position matters, it will be a 2QL. Okay. Yes. This will be equal to this and this will be equal to this. Okay. Because this K will be replaced, this K will be L and this K will be replaced with L. And by adding that will become a 2L. So whether they are commuting, whether they are not commuting, it will not affect this. Okay. So I don't think we need to mention that. Okay. So you will have that 1/2 this 2 will be cancelled with this 2 and you will have QL. This QK and QK, actually this QK and QK is Q square. So this will be this. Okay. Have you got it? What is that? I think maybe some students will divide this. Okay. And this will be QL over Q. Why? Because of this. Okay. So putting this value in this equation, this will give you the 9 Q this is magnitude. But yes, there is sorry, this is wrong. While if there is L, there will be L. But partial Q over partial QK will be QK over. Okay. So I should write this is the line. So here is so that must be dot this father. So this will be PK dot. Okay. Okay.
So it is on the 500 PK.
Yes, we have to take the integrate. We have to integrate it. Okay. May I raise it? Okay. Now we have to take you are right. We have to consider this is dot. So PK. Yes, because it is that is vector also will be a vector, so it should be a combination form of vector. If that is the magnitude, then it must come in the form of magnitude. Okay, so I think you must mention it. Okay, so minus 9 cos Q dot QK, that will be a
So it's still limiting down.
it's
0 to 2.
okay. Okay. So the right side is very clear. That will be PK result. Okay.
Yes.
and that will be when you integrate it by parts, and you will get this. Okay, and this is actually the so integrate it and you will get it. Okay, now you can rewrite.
यहाँ पे भी लिखने का भी
Then depend upon your question in exam. I think you can integrate it very simply. Okay, that is the first function, and by taking the second, by substitution you may solve. Okay, so this will be actually your answer. Because it is not too much simple, because this q is magnitude. This is not qk. You must keep in mind. This qk, this q is actually dqk dot qk 1/2. Mean if there is a k to this, then you must write L and L. And this is the two. For upper you have to write this for upper, but for lower you have to change the value, that will be q m dot q, because you must introduce this every time. Okay. This is all about how you may find these different positions, momentum, derivative of. If there is some only find the velocity, p dot, then this will be answer error, because usually we ask the question like this. Okay, then you simply find it. Okay. If there is find the position without not derivative amount, then you have to integrate. Okay, so. Sometimes in paper we ask the question or exercise, you have to do the exercise about if x phi and phi, that is changed with the phi and phi. Because it is alpha beta is only the variable that may be a phi, sin x, x, y, whatever. You must be able to solve it. And that is given as
सर हमें ये तो पता होगा ना कि कौन सा रिक्वायर्ड है.
Yes, that will be it's phi cos it's phi here or sin. This is a question that f is given that this is, and let's suppose psi is not required, and you have to apply so if this is a given function and phi is independent and psi is not required, one of them will be unrequired. Okay. So it may be a possible. Sometimes the phi function is given. Sometimes it is may be written in this way. Sometimes it may be written that the new function is independent from the phi, like this. Okay. The question may ask in the different form. Okay. So if psi is unrequired, if the second function is unrequired, so then you know that what is going to be the formula, the new function that will be changed. May I write only this function? Sometimes I don't write this function. This is given and this is. Like the new function will be g. Yes. Phi is unrequired, so new function will be function of phi, maybe phi, and partial psi over partial, the new function will be partial f over partial phi, this is changing, okay, and here phi must be a such.
तो यहाँ पर खाली साइन ही लिखेंगे
The derivative of old function with respect to unrequired. If an is unrequired, derivative of old function with respect to unrequired. Multiply by unrequired. Similarly, also in this case, so
खाली साइन ही लिखे उसके बाद हम भी स्टार्ट करेंगे
no. Actually, I have written along. This is not a partial. This is actually the partial f over partial alpha. Do you remember? You remember it? And this will be partial f over. No, this will be partial f over partial alpha beta, and this will be a partial. Sorry, this will be alpha partial beta partial f over
partial b.
Yes, or yes, that one. That must be right. Okay, now I see. That will be phi, the old function, and this variable will be changed from this. This will be a new variable, and this will be equal to partial f over partial phi. If you check from the previous lecture, I have defined it. That's mistakenly written. I think it's okay. So. Because B is not function of beta. So this minus f okay. Put the value. Six is constant.
Yes. सर ये ऊपर का साइज के लिए भी constant नहीं होगा उसके लिए आपसे partial.
No, that phi square is also constant because it is a partial derivative. Phi square is also constant. Derivative of I think firstly I write because there are many things that are very big. So firstly I must mention, I should not do correctly. So cos phi over cos. If there is indices, then you know that it becomes very complicated. Okay. Yes. Anyway, I will try to avoid such complications in our exam because we have very good students too. Okay. Along with the very super genius students. But they are not in a physics forum, and the super genius to be converted into the admin duties. Okay. This phi here, partial cos phi and phi minus.
become -6 by square.
Yes, -6 phi square cos phi. Okay. So the answer will be 6 phi square cos phi, derivative of cos will be a minus phi, and phi derivative of phi is 1. Okay, so this will be a this, and this will be -6 phi square cos phi. So this is the way there may be a difference. If the exercise phi is unrequired, then what will be happen? The case will be changed. Okay. If phi is unrequired, then what will be happen? So then energy 5
partial phi. Phi take care. So the
other function will be
sir.
no, sorry. The partial f over partial phi psi, yes, you are right. And phi is undefined. Okay?
Yes.
And in that case, you have f alpha beta minus partial f over partial alpha. This formula will be applied. If first function is undefined, then this formula will be required. This formula will be used. This formula will be applied. And if the beta is unrequired, then this expression will be used. Okay. So what is the f as we have already mentioned? 6 psi minus partial. Okay, if we take the 6 is constant, cos phi is constant,
So there are two
2 phi. Okay, and phi derivative with the partial derivative of phi with phi, that will be 1. It's completed?
Yes.
No, it will be multiplied with the phi.
Yes, sir. Phi 77. Super, sir.
Phi. Yes. What is this is phi? So. Okay. So this result will be 6 phi here of psi minus 12 cos phi phi. So this will be the your requirement. Okay. So the many types of the questions regarding Legendre transformations, regarding Legendre transformation may come in your test. Okay. So you must be prepared for all types of questions. Okay. Okay. So for today, the Legendre exercise, the examples are enough. Now you made do different type of exercises as a practice, as assignment. You must do it. You must give the different type of assignment to yourself. Okay, by changing the variables and by changing the different conditions, and you must try. So for today, the examples are enough.